Some waves you chase for points, and some waves you chase just to challenge yourself. Riley's is one of those waves.
Riley's is level 20. It's off the scale. Everything's so fast, so dangerous.
When Riley's turns on, it doesn't wait for anyone.
Riley's is this wave in Ireland. It's probably pretty famous around the world. Riley's is gonna pick you up and throw you down and pin you to the bottom, you know?
You have to get up extremely fast and take off in a really steep position. So you either make it or you don't. It's so fast.
It's the terrain underneath. Straight up, it's rock. Like, it's gonna hurt you way more easier. Like, you really need to learn to read the ocean before you'd ever consider anything like that.
Riley's is my most favorite wave. There's so many factors that have to be right for it to work. When it's good, it's like one of the best waves in the whole world. Like, it's super clean barrel, like perfect barrel.
Riley's? Yeah, getting smashed and barreled. It's like really shallow. It's scary, but it's a big step. I'll definitely paddle out.
Don't do anything silly, okay? All right? Just go for it. Watch the lads, listen to them the whole time, okay?
Yeah.